Since you have already got the concept of adjacent angles, now you're ready to learn what is linear pairs of angles. Linear pairs of angles are something like this. When you put two adjacent sides, right? Here are three rays here, O, A, B, and C. Alright, here angle AOB and angle BOA are adjacent. Alright, these two are adjacent sides. These two are adjacent angles, right? Not sides. So angle AOB is adjacent to angle BOC because they have the common arm and the common vertex. So now what the linear pair angles means, like when two adjacent angles, non-common part means OA, they are talking about this OA and OC are opposite rays. Once again I'm telling, see, it is a point and just opposite to each other they are. Ray OA and ray OC are just opposite to each other. In that case, these two angles, these angles BOC and this BOA, which were initially adjacent angles, are now said to be forming linear pair of angles. This is simple. Like when you put two adjacent angles, non-common part, when you put two adjacent angle 1 and 2, these are two angles, it's non-common part, because OB is common part and non-common part are here OA and OC forms just opposite rays. If they are opposite rays, in that case those two adjacent angles can be said to form linear pair of angles. But if you know, like if you come to the shortcut and finally if you want to understand, it's nothing more than the supplementary angle. I just like in entire my life I just understand this like a supplementary angle while solving the problem. Whenever you solve the problem, think like a supplementary angle, and it is, we can prove it also, and I will prove it here just after certain time. Alright, see here, you just imagine like any two angles has sum x and y. Whenever two angles has the sum 180 degree, then you understand that both angles are linear pair angles. Alright, they are linear pair angles. Completely you understand in that way. But the concept was something like this. What is linear pair of angles? Alright, here if x and y is forming 180 degree, then you can say these are linear pair angles. It's same like supplementary angles. Alright, you can understand in this way, but we generally define in this initially what I said. Now let's prove what is the sum of the linear pairs of angles. They are 180 degree or not. Alright, so let me make a figure here. So this is my point O, right, and this is A and this is B. Alright, these are opposite rays. Alright, and let me say this B. So here I have two adjacent angle POA and another angle I have POB. Alright, and I need to show that angle AOP plus angle BOP is equal with 180 degree. And now I'm going to show this, how the linear pairs angles are supplementary, or you can say how they forms 180 degree. So for that I need to do a little construction. Suppose I'm drawing a line here like this. I'm drawing a perpendicular. Let me say this is M. Alright, so my construction is here. You can say in construction side, let's draw MO perpendicular to AB. So let me give you the proof how it is. Now see here, if I'm drawing this MO perpendicular to AB, so what I will get angle AOM equals with angle BOM equal 90 degree, because this is perpendicular. If this is 90 degree, then this must be 90 degree. Both are 90 degree. Alright, and now in first stage, like suppose if I'm writing angle AOP, alright, I'm writing angle AOP, I'm talking about this angle, then can I say this angle is the sum of angle AOM and angle MOP? Yes, I can say. So this is the sum of angle AOM and angle MOP. Alright, so this is my first equation, and in second one I want to write angle BOP equals to, like, I'm talking about this angle. Alright, so this angle, can I say like this, complete angle minus this. Alright, this complete angle is 90 degree, means angle MOB minus angle MOP. Alright, angle MOB minus angle MOP. I can say easily this, because this angle BOP is complete minus this part. So now let me add 1 and 2. What I will get if I will add 1 and 2? I'm gonna get here angle AOP plus angle BOP equal with now angle AOM plus angle MOP plus angle MOB minus angle MOP, and see what is going to get cancelled. It is minus and this is plus, so I can cancel this, and my angle AOP plus angle BOP is now equal with AOM. What is the value of angle AOM? Here, see, AOM equals to 90 degree, right? If you see in the figure also, AOM is 90 degree. Already I have constructed in such a way. So in the place of AOM, I can write 90 degree. And now MOB, what is the value of MOB? BOM or MOB? You can say 90 degree. MOB, see here, angle MOB, this is also 90 degree. Alright, so I got here again 90 degree, and this is what we need to find out. Angle AOP plus angle BOP is forming 180 degree. What is AOP and BOP? Let me show you in the figure. AOB, alright, AOP, the initial adjacent angle that we had, AOP, and BOP, that this one. So finally we prove it. AOP and BOP is 180 degree, right? It's proved. What I was saying initially, that you can understand the linear pair angles like the supplementary angle. So the sum of the linear pair angles is 180 degree. From here I can see. So finally I'm concluding here, sum of linear pair angle is 180 degree. Alright, and this thing I will be using as my theorem in now after onward any videos I will make. I can use this as a theorem anyhow, because I proved it, right? Sum of the linear pair of the angle is 180 degree. So catch you in the next video. Goodbye.